You're looking at Isaac, our proprietary XDR platform. At Atos, we use Isaac to deliver managed detection and response services. With Isaac, you get unified visibility across all your assets, be it on the data center, endpoints, servers, cloud, or user behavior. Isaac uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation to provide high-speed threat detection and response services for your assets on the cloud and data center. Isaac integrates a set of modules for detection, including SIEM, AI-based threat hunting, and threat intelligence. Response to threats is provided using triage, investigation, and orchestration via the SOAR module. Isaac has deep integration with AWS to deliver MDR services. It's effortless to integrate AWS resource logs with Isaac. You can automate the cloud formation setup of AWS prerequisites using automated scripts. Using your IAM account details, Isaac can discover resources in your AWS account like virtual machines, VPC, Elastic Load Balancers, console logs, S3 logs, and many more. You can then select these resources to include them in the MDR scope. As soon as onboarding is complete in a few easy steps, all the threat detection content in Isaac platform automatically applies to the onboarded AWS resources. The SIEM module in Isaac provides an intuitive UI to define roles. Let's take an example. Here's a use case for high velocity login. This specific use case is written to identify logins from two different geographies in a span of 4 hours. Now let's look at how Isaac uses machine learning to identify sophisticated attacks. Isaac comes with pre-built machine learning models to identify anomalies. These models are mapped to the CyberKill chain as well as the MITRE framework. Let's look at how AI models apply to AWS. Here's a model that profiles connections between AWS resources. This specific example profiles connections from each source IP over the last 7 days to identify machine-to-machine connection or traffic using VPC as the data source. Such behavior or anomaly could be an indicator of a bot or malware or lateral movement by an attacker. So once the model identifies these anomalies, our threat hunters will run them through the SOAR workflows to determine if it is a real threat. Now that we have seen how Isaac uses multiple detection techniques to identify threats, let's look at how it handles response. Threats detected by the SIEM, AI-based models, and Threat Intel IOC matches land on the triage screen here. Isaac automatically prioritizes threats based on multiple parameters like historical behavior, vulnerability on the asset, asset criticality, threat intel match, and other parameters. Here are a few AWS alerts that have been prioritized based on the same triaging algorithm. Triaged alerts go for deeper investigation. Isaac offers a number of automated investigative features, such as the ability to extract IOC information from endpoints via direct integration with EDR solutions in your environment. Once the investigation is complete, tickets are created and assigned to respective response teams using the built-in ticketing system of Isaac. We provide recommendations with short-term and long-term mitigation actions. If a threat requires quick containment, we can use the auto remediate feature to contain the threat quickly. For example, in this case, we use our integration with UTMs to block an attacker. With Isaac, you get next generation MDR services that use artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation to detect hidden, advanced, and emerging threats to your organization. For a deeper view, you can request a customized demo from our security experts. Thank you.